This is June 8, 2017. What you're looking at is a 20-inch all steel ESKIMO box fan. It is a push button, 2-speed, high and low. The model number is 20137. I do not know what year this fan was made. This fan came to me in pretty sad shape. I repainted the main body of it in a light turquoise. The center of the blade I painted in a winter gray. The front and back grill I painted in a gloss white. The motor is done in gloss white. The blade I shined up. It needed oil pretty bad. Push it once for high speed. And one more push will put it into low. It still has the original cord and plug.